Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Back to another tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you how to bypass iCloud ID, iPhone XR up to iPhone 11 Pro Max without change serial number. I mean, do not change serial number, because if you change serial number, will some issues. So that's why I just released tool today for everyone. You can bypass iOS 18.7.3 up to 18.7.9 and 26.2 up to 26.6 with Cannect tool. Okay, so in this video I am going to show you how to bypass iCloud ID hello skin and without signal. As you can see, it's 18.7.4. so you can bypass any devices, okay, any version. Which version before not supported, that version you can bypass right now with this tool. But before order, you must be need to buy from online RP 2350 USB chip for DCSD. You need to buy from online, because without this you can't bypass right now. Okay, so as you can see, this tool everything fix, face ID, notification, everything fix after bypass. Okay, and it's the hello skin, as you can see inside iCloud lock. So now I need to open the bypass tool for bypass. Okay, so I try to guide step by step for everyone. I hope you will understand easily after viewing this video. So now as you can see, I need to press power button and volume down button for the switch up and for recovery mode. So right now I select and off my iPhone. So right now I disconnect my USB cable from devices and press power button and connect again. Wait some time, do not release power button before. Still press power button. After going recovery mode, then release power button. Now as you can see, click the button in bypass tool. Now coming like that, you need to now start button, click and press volume down plus power button. After click, press volume down button and release power button. Do not release volume down button. Now automatically going DFU mode. Okay, so you know how to make DFU mode directly, you can work, but if you cannot directly, will not working. So must be do like that, will automatically tool read you your version, device version, then will no problem for you. Now as you can see, it's I use this one. I recommend buy from online, from AliExpress and like that many website, many online you can work. So I connect iPhone in there, and now I need to put USB cable in PC. As you can see, green light coming after red light. So now disconnect USB cable from here. So now this cable connect to put in PC. Okay, coming like that. Now connect it. So now I need to select hello SN bypass. So click here. So must be active ECID from website. So copy this ECID from website, from tool, and active from online. Okay, so I will show you how to work. Okay, just wait and see. And go to website scannertool.com. Also you will add this service in based of unlock for card payment user. Okay, more user don't have cryptocurrency, so that's why I need to add this service in based of unlock.com for card payment user. So future you can use with card payment. So now as you can see, I just select the service for work. So must be select the real model. If your model, for example, if your model iPhone XS, XR, so you need to same model select, because if you not select same like that, will do not successful. Okay, so if you have a RP 2350, then you can order. If you don't have, do not order this, because lower version you can work without this, and a higher version you cannot work without this. Okay, so I select and paste ECID and click here and place the order. After place the order, instant activate your ECID for bypass your iPhone. Okay, so now as you can see, wait sometimes, I will show you. And As you can see inside, it's done. Okay, so now I will show you how to work. Now click SN, select this one. Now start button. Or sometimes I will show you step by step. Now automatically working. If any problem, any error, must be fix your driver in 3U tools or from here. Okay, wait sometimes, need to 5 to 10 minutes for download some files. If your internet is speed good, then you can work normally. Wait and see. Wait sometimes. Okay, it's file download from online, from server, so you need to wait. It's working very good, because no, do not change the serial number. Many tools in website, the many tool website for change serial number bypass, but this is not good. I have already website at this service, but if change serial number, some problem will coming. But this tool, after bypass, you can update automatically your phone, mobile, from 3U tools, without any problem. But another device, another tool, after change serial number bypass, and all the another tool also not working after bypass, can't update with 3U tools. So this very good for you. Okay, so I try to best for everyone. Now as you can see, it's done. It's done because it's now automatically activate from here. Do not any problem. Okay, int remedies mode, automatically bypass done. So like that you can bypass your iPhone. Okay, so if you need to order, go to visit based of unlock.com or scanetool.com. You can work from here without any other website. If you have any other website, you can buy from here our service. I hope it's very good. Okay, uh, now wait for finish, because right now working for bypass. Okay, so wait and see. As you can see, sometimes wait sometimes. Okay, now almost done. Maybe need to 1 minute. Okay, as you can see. Okay, so I hope you understand how to bypass with this tool. And if any error when bypass, then you need to doing same process. But remember, after bypass, after bypass, camera not working, face not working, but you do same process, then select the button, camera fix button, will everything is working. Okay, this tool everything fix. After bypass, you can use like normal, like new iPhone. Okay, after bypass, need to same process, then need to select the camera button for fix camera, will face ID, everything is working. Okay, now it's finished bypass. So normal directly open your iPhone. Okay, just I cannot, because I no have charge in my laptop. Okay, wait sometimes, I just show you. It's wait for run. Okay, so I try to best for everyone. As you can see, it's done. No not change serial number. Thank you so much. And you again doing same process after bypass. Select the camera fix button and PWDAP mode. Then click camera fix button and start. Will automatically same time need and fix done. Everything is done. And thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.